So you need a fence. The big question is, should you build it yourself or hire a pro? Both have pros and cons, but one might be the better choice for you. Let's find out. Cost comparison. Let's talk money. A DIY fence can be cheaper if you do it right. Expect to spend anywhere from $800 to $3,000, depending on materials and size. But don't forget hidden costs. Hiring a pro costs more, usually between $2,000 and $8,000. But you're paying for expertise, quality, and efficiency. Time and effort. How much is your time worth? A DIY fence isn't a one-day project. You'll be digging, leveling, and securing posts for days, sometimes weeks. Pros, on the other hand, can have your fence up in as little as a day, depending on the project size. Here's the tricky part. Building a fence takes skill. If it's not level, sturdy, or properly installed, you'll have problems down the road. Professional installers know what they're doing. They use the right materials, ensure deep post settings, and follow local building codes. Long-term durability. How long will your fence last? A DIY fence, if not done properly, may last 5 to 10 years. A professionally installed fence? 15 to 25 years or more. Plus, many pros offer warranties, meaning if something goes wrong, they'll fix it. So, should you DIY or hire a pro? If you love a challenge, have the tools, and don't mind spending days on the project, DIY could work for you. But if you want a professional finish, long-term durability, and less hassle, hiring an expert is the way to go. Thinking of getting a fence installed? Let the experts handle it. Call us today for a free quote or visit our website to learn more.